So right now we're on QuickBooks main page, and depending on when you hop on this page, it's going to look a little bit different. But the first place you're going to go to is plans and pricing. And then when you're just getting started, okay, you're a business owner who's just getting started in QuickBooks. Before you try to look at all the bells and whistles, I suggest start off with the very basic, simple start, right? It's simple for a reason. So let's just go here. Choose plan, payroll. If you're just getting started in your business, you don't have anybody on payroll, or if you are paying somebody, you're paying yourself by drawing money out, or you're paying some contractor employees, then you do not need this payroll option here. So what you're going to do is you're going to continue without payroll. And there it is. It's going to give you your checkout. Okay. Very simple. You're going to put in an email address. Then it's going to ask you for your card information. Okay, and then once you do that, it's going to get you to the Let's Get Started page. So we're going to go ahead and follow through with this. Let's get started. For starters, what's your business called? So I'm just going to put in here something random. We're going to say Blake's Business. What were you using before QuickBooks? You could say nothing. I'm new to this. Or you can pick one of the others that applies to you. All right, if you have a business website, it's going to let you do that. Otherwise, you can just go next. It's going to ask you to tell more about the business. So we're going to say that we are a construction business, industrial building construction, business type. Now, if you need any help on selecting your business type, if you're just getting started and you have not filed as a business, then you are going to be a sole proprietor. Okay. You have not filed a business license. You have not registered with your state. You're a sole proprietor. Even if you have registered with your state and you registered as an LLC, you would know that that's going to fall under a sole proprietor. If you're one of the others, select one of the others. What was your company's annual revenue last year? You will know the answer to this. We're going to go less than $1 million. Talk about your role in the business. What is your role? I am the owner. Pick any one that applies to you. How many employees? It's just me. So it's just the owner. Or you can select one of the other that applies to you. And then it's going to give you an option to set up your account with an expert. Hopefully, we're able to skip that this go around. So let's go ahead and just move forward and go maybe later. The first place you're going to want to get started is to link your bank or your credit card so that you can start documenting. Now, you don't have to do this right away, but this is going to say do this first. It's going to say connect your bank accounts. Now, you can select into one and you can go skip for now, or you can go ahead and go through your linking your account right here. Right now, we're going to go skip for now. All right, it's going to give you the option to download the app. We're going to go next. You can download that if you need it. It's going to ask you how you can set up your payments. If you are having people that are paying you, again, we're going to skip that for now. And then here's it's going to let you set up so that you can have a link so that you can accept payments. Again, we're going to skip that for now. You can follow through all of this if you decide you want to, but you don't have to get your QuickBooks up and going. We're going to keep this part simple, send and track invoices. Next. Boom. Here you go. Now, like many introductory websites, when you first get an account, it's going to give you all of the pop-ups. It's going to give you all of the things that it is capable of doing. My biggest suggestion is just hit the X on everything. Okay. So just X. I'm not interested. Okay. You can even come up here to the top right. I'm not interested in this right now. Now, this is going to look different depending on when you're logging into QuickBooks. But as of right now, this is your main dashboard. Okay, if you have a bank account that you want to go ahead and link so that you can start tracking your spending in and out of your business, if you have a separate business account, a new bank account that you're wanting to do business with, highly suggest keep those separate. Do not do personal expenses and business expenses. You need to keep those two separate. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate over here to accounting. Once you're there, it's going to have bank transactions. Now, this is where the majority of your work goes while you're working in QuickBooks. You're going to go to link your bank. It's going to bring you through a list of different banks. The simplest thing that you're going to do is you're going to pick the bank that you bank with, let's say Bank of America, for instance, and now it's going to ask you to basically sign into your bank account. What you need before you start this process is your username and your password. Many people do not have those. So if you need to pause and go and do a password reset, figure out what your username is, what your password is for your bank, do that, come back, log in. It's going to be simple. You're going to upload it and you're going to link it, and then you're going to come back to your dashboard. There you have it. That's how you set up your QuickBooks account for you to do your books on your own. Follow us, like, and subscribe for more tips on how to manage your books by yourself, or stop over at Branch Bookkeeping and find yourself a steward of finances that can steward your finances for you.